Biotechnology, a very important chapter in class 12 biology. And today we have picked up a very important topic from the chapter talking about the nomenclature of the restriction enzymes. And to begin with, we have the most important restriction enzyme, EcoR1. So how do we name it? How do we derive the nomenclature? For EcoR1, as it has come from Escherichia coli, the bacterium, the first name is picked up from the genus name, the generic name Escherichia in capital. So E in capital from Escherichia, which is a generic name of the bacteria, followed by the first two letters of the species, that is CO from coli. And remember, the first three letters are always written in italics, correct? And then we have the strain of the bacterium. Here it's R, derived from RY13, the strain of the bacterium. And then the numeral, the Roman numeral, represents the order of identification of the enzyme, right? The first identified is this one, and hence it's EcoR1. Remember, the first three letters must be in italics, followed by capital R and then the Roman numeral 1, right? And not to forget, W. Arbour, H. Smith and D. Nathan, these three scientists got the Nobel Prize in 1978 for discovering this EcoR1. Now we pass on to the next, the first isolated restriction endonuclease is HindII. And here, when we go for the nomenclature of HindII, it comes up as Haemophilus, the first alphabet, the first term written in capitals picked up from the generic name of the bacterium. Again followed by the first two letters of the species name, Influenzae. Influenzae, the first two letters taken, and remember again, the first three letters are written in italics. And then the strain of the bacterium, here it's D, received from RD. And then adding up the Roman numeral 2, that explains that order of identification of the enzyme. So HindII is collected from Haemophilus influenzae with the RD strain and identified, second identified. Hope you find this helpful, and if you want more videos like this on different topics, please ping in the comments. Thank you.